In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into FreshBooks. Whether you're a new user or simply need a refresher, this guide will help you navigate the login process with ease. FreshBooks is a powerful tool for small business owners, freelancers, and anyone who needs a straightforward and efficient way to manage accounting tasks. Let's dive in and get you started with accessing your FreshBooks account. First things first, to begin the process, open your web browser and navigate to the FreshBooks login page. The direct URL for this page is my.freshbooks.com. By entering this into your browser's address bar, you'll be taken straight to the portal where you can access your account. It's a good idea to bookmark this page for quicker access in the future, especially if you use FreshBooks frequently. Once you're on the login page, you'll see a couple of fields that need to be filled out. In the first field, enter the email address associated with your FreshBooks account. This needs to be the same email you used when signing up for FreshBooks. It's crucial to enter your email address accurately, as a small typo could prevent you from logging in. Double-check to make sure there are no errors, and if you have multiple email addresses, ensure that you're using the correct one linked to your FreshBooks account. Next, move down to the password field. Just like your email, your password is case-sensitive, so you'll need to enter it exactly as you set it up. This means paying attention to the capitalization of any letters, as well as ensuring you're including any numbers or symbols if they're part of your password. If you happen to forget your password, there's usually an option on this page to reset it and regain access to your account. After you've entered both your email and password, proceed by clicking the Login button. This action will prompt FreshBooks to verify your credentials. If everything matches, you'll be logged into your account, granting you full access to your dashboards, reports, and all other features that FreshBooks offers. If you encounter any issues during this process, check your internet connection, re-enter your email and password carefully, or explore the Forgot Password option for assistance. Also, consider reaching out to FreshBooks support for more personalized help if needed. And that's it. You're now ready to use FreshBooks to its fullest capabilities to manage your business finances. Remember, having quick and easy access to your FreshBooks account is essential, so keeping these login details secure and memorable is key. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this guide has provided the clarity you need to get back to managing your finances seamlessly. Enjoy using FreshBooks, and see you next time.